Let the stress of the day melt away. Immerse yourself in peaceful melodies and the authentic calls of nature's magnificent creatures. Step into the wild. Led by the mighty lion, witness the power and stealth of nature's top predators. Lion. Lionesses actually perform exactly 90% of all the hunting for their entire pride. Jaguar. Jaguars possess completely unique, rose-shaped spots containing tiny black dots right inside them. Polar bear. A polar bear's thick fur is actually entirely hollow and completely transparent, not white. Lynx. A lynx can easily spot a tiny mouse from over 200 feet away. Wolverine. Wolverines possess incredibly powerful jaws that easily crush completely frozen, solid animal bones. Dingo. Dingoes uniquely possess double-jointed necks, easily allowing them to beautifully look completely backward. Badger. American badgers cleverly team up with coyotes to successfully hunt hidden prairie dogs. Feel the earth tremble. Walk alongside the majestic elephant and join these magnificent grazers across the open plains. Elephant. An elephant's heavy trunk contains over 40,000 distinct, highly sensitive muscles. Zebra. Every single zebra foal must completely memorize its mother's unique stripe pattern to survive. Bison. A frightened bison loudly and wildly raises its heavy tail straight up like a flag. Buffalo. African buffalo fiercely decide on travel directions by simply staring completely together in unison. Camel. A camel perfectly stores pure, heavy fat inside its humps, not actual liquid water. Antelope. Some antelopes remarkably pant strictly through their noses to completely keep their brains cool. Gazelle. Gazelles purposefully shrink their own internal organs to wonderfully survive incredibly long, harsh droughts. Deer. Deer incredibly possess absolutely zero upper front teeth, using a tough dental pad instead. Gaur. A mother gaur gently communicates with her heavy young using soft, high-pitched whistles. Reindeer. Reindeer milk incredibly contains roughly 4 times more rich fat than standard cow milk. Llama. Llamas actively spit partially digested stomach acid strictly to fiercely establish their absolute dominance. Journey into the treetops. Starting with the wise orangutan, discover the fascinating lives of intelligent primates and agile canopy dwellers. Orangutan. Orangutans build fresh, comfortable leaf nests in the trees every single night. Mandrill. The colorful skin on a mandrill's face brightens when they feel excited. Bonobo. Bonobos are remarkably peaceful and will willingly share their food with strangers. Gibbon. Gibbons can swing through the canopy at speeds of 35 miles per hour. Lemur. Ring-tailed lemurs enjoy sunbathing by sitting in a meditation-like yoga pose. Proboscis monkey. Proboscis monkeys are elite swimmers and can even swim entirely underwater. Squirrel monkey. Squirrel monkeys use their long tails for balance rather than for gripping. Vervet monkey. Vervet monkeys use distinct alarm calls to identify different types of predators. Marmoset monkey. Pygmy marmosets almost always give birth to a pair of tiny twins. Emperor tamarin. Both male and female emperor tamarins grow magnificent, long white mustaches. Golden lion tamarin. Golden lion tamarins often live in groups where fathers help carry babies. Tarsia. A tarsia's single eye is actually heavier than its entire brain. Sloth. Sloths move so slowly that green algae actually grows on their fur. Koala. Koalas have fingerprints that are nearly identical to those of human beings. Flying fox. Flying foxes are giant bats that can have a wingspan of 5 feet. Dive into the deep blue. Guided by the powerful shark, explore the colorful and mysterious secrets of the underwater world. Shark. Sharks have existed on Earth longer than dinosaurs and even forest trees. Dolphin. Dolphins use unique signature whistles to call out to their specific friends. Seal. Harbor seals can remain underwater for 30 minutes without taking a breath. Walrus. A walrus uses its long tusks as ice picks to climb onto land. Manta ray. Manta rays possess the largest brain of any fish species in the world. Turtle. Sea turtles use the Earth's magnetic field as a natural GPS to navigate. Jellyfish. Some jellyfish can turn back time and return to their infant state. Pufferfish. Pufferfish skin contains a toxin far deadlier than the most poisonous snakes. Blue tang. To sleep safely, blue tangs wedge themselves tightly into sharp coral cracks. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish can instantly change their skin texture to mimic rocks or sand. Starfish. Starfish pump filtered seawater through their bodies instead of using real blood. Arapaima. The giant arapaima must swim to the surface to breathe fresh air. Catfish. Catfish have taste buds all over their bodies to find food in mud. Koi fish. Some koi fish are known to live for over 200 years. Goldfish. Goldfish can actually see both infrared and ultraviolet light, unlike human beings. Salmon. Salmon can detect their home river by smelling just one drop of water. Otter. Sea otters hold hands while sleeping to avoid drifting away in the ocean. Venture into the ancient world. From the fearsome crocodile to stealthy reptiles, uncover the resilience of cold-blooded survivors. Crocodile. Crocodiles swallow heavy stones to help them stay balanced while diving underwater. Alligator. Alligators can survive frozen ponds by sticking their snouts above the solid ice. Iguana. Green iguanas have a third eye on their head to detect overhead predators. Monitor lizard. Monitor lizards are the only lizards that can breathe while they are running. Gecko. Geckos lick their own eyeballs to keep them moist because they lack eyelids. Green snake. When a green snake dies, its bright color quickly fades into a deep blue. Tortoise. Some giant tortoises can survive for an entire year without eating or drinking. Axolotl. The axolotl can perfectly regenerate its own heart, brain, and entire spinal cord. Frog. Wood frogs can survive winter by freezing 70% of their entire body. Look to the skies. Soar with the majestic eagle and take flight alongside a breathtaking variety of vibrant birds. Eagle. Eagles can continue to fly even while losing a feather from each wing. Crested serpent eagle. They emit a haunting, high-pitched scream that echoes through the deep jungle canopy. Hawk. A hawk's eyes are so powerful they can see small insects for miles. Owl. Owls have asymmetrical ears, allowing them to pinpoint prey in total, pitch-black darkness. Pelican. Pelicans use their massive pouches as cooling radiators to regulate their body temperature. Flamingo. Flamingos are born with gray feathers and only turn pink from eating shrimp. Heron. Some herons cleverly use small twigs as fishing bait to lure curious fish. Albatross. An albatross can smell a single fish from 12 miles away in the ocean. Seagull. Seagulls can easily unhinge their jaws to swallow surprisingly large pieces of food. Frigate. These birds never land on water because their feathers will quickly become waterlogged. Great cormorant. For centuries, humans have trained cormorants to catch fish for traditional village markets. Duck. Despite the popular myth, a duck's quack actually creates a very clear echo. Mandarin duck. Mandarin ducks are deeply respected as symbols of eternal love and lifelong devotion. Macaw. Macaws can actually blush, turning their white facial skin pink when they feel excited. Hornbill. Hornbills are the only birds on Earth that possess long, beautiful, protective eyelashes. Hummingbird. A hummingbird's tiny brain is the largest of all birds relative to its size. Kingfisher. The kingfisher's beak inspired the aerodynamic design of modern high-speed bullet trains. Woodpecker. A woodpecker's head strikes a tree with the force of a crashing car. Cassowary. Their strange, bony helmet might function as a natural radar to pick up sounds. Crowned crane. These birds are the national symbol of Uganda, representing a friendly, peaceful nature. Crow. Intelligent crows can craft and use complex tools to reach hidden jungle grubs. Pigeon. Pigeons were once celebrated as elite war heroes for delivering vital military messages. Myna. Mynas have a distinctive patch of bare, yellow skin behind their highly observant eyes. Lovebird. Lovebirds often sleep huddled together, leaning their heads affectionately on one another's shoulders. Quail. A group of these small, ground-dwelling birds is beautifully known as a covey. As the gentle waters fade into silence, we wish you a deep and restful sleep. Until next time.